bubble frog made by Master Ingo. Boyd's laminated copy na kahoy. So siya lang ang gumawa niyan, pinagdikit-dikit niya yung kahoy. Then bubble frog pattern, and courtesy of Master Aris. And then stainless double blade, rather double hook. And so total ito is 19.5 grams. Medyo mabigat pero solid kasi ang sarap iba to, malayo. Check this out. Pitik lang layo. Ayan. Alright. Panalo. Bubble frog by Master Ingo.